6 systems of Hindu philosophy. Hindu philosophy encompasses a wide range of philosophical systems that have developed over centuries. Here are 6 major schools of Hindu philosophy, known as Darshanas. Nyaya. Nyaya is a school of Hindu philosophy founded by sage Gautama, also known as Akṣapāda. It focuses on logic, epistemology and the analysis of knowledge. Nyaya is known for its methodology of debate and argumentation and its system of reasoning to establish valid knowledge. Vaisheshika. Vaisheshika, attributed to sage Kanada, explores metaphysics, ontology, and the nature of reality. It classifies the universe into distinct categories and examines the nature of substances, qualities, actions, and their interrelationships. Sankhya. Sankhya, attributed to sage Kapila, is a dualistic philosophical system that analyzes the nature of existence, consciousness, and the universe. It postulates the existence of 2 fundamental principles, Purusha, consciousness, and Prakriti, material nature. Yoga. Yoga, as outlined by sage Patanjali in the Yoga Sutras, is a philosophical and practical system that focuses on spiritual liberation and the union of the individual self, Jiva, with the universal consciousness, Brahman. It encompasses physical postures, asanas, breath control, pranayam, meditation, and ethical principles. Purva Mimamsa. Purva Mimamsa, attributed to sage Gemini, is primarily concerned with the interpretation and analysis of the Vedas, particularly the ritualistic aspects. It focuses on understanding the nature and significance of rituals, sacrificial rites, and the means to attain desired outcomes. Vedanta. Vedanta, which is based on the Upanishads, is one of the most influential schools of Hindu philosophy. It explores the nature of reality, Brahman, the individual self, Atman, and their relationship. Vedanta encompasses various subschools, including Advaita Vedanta, non-dualism, Vishishtadvaita Vedanta, qualified non-dualism, and Dvaita Vedanta, dualism. These 6 systems of Hindu philosophy offers unique perspectives on the nature of reality, consciousness, knowledge, and the path to liberation. They have contributed to the rich philosophical traditions of Hinduism and continue to influence spiritual seekers and scholars today.